If you think that this is New York because of the yellow caps, then think again. Because this is Athens in Greece. And this is our travel story. It all started when me and my travel companion Jewel took a flight from Switzerland to Athens. And guess what? They served cheese fondue on the flight. Also, when was the last time you read the safety card? Probably never. So here's an update. Make sure you do not sleep on the floor of the airplane. After a 2-hour flight that smelled of cheese, we finally landed in Athens and we were all excited to discover this city. If you have ever been to Athens, you would be surprised by the size of portions of food they serve in restaurants. Considering this huge size of portions, opening a store that sells clothes just for overweight people could be an excellent business idea. Well, never mind. They got that sorted out. Hey, I'm in Athens and this city has got a lot of street art. However, one such street art that caught my attention is this beautiful depiction of Noah's Ark. As you can see, that's the flood that came and destroyed the city. There's Noah with his wife and his children who are already in the boat. And those are the animals, 2 of each species. However, there's this one strange looking animal that came by itself. It looks like a cross between a human and a centipede. A human face, a centipede body. You don't see this animal today because there's clear evidence through paintings that it came alone to the ark. However, there are a lot of movies that are made based on it. Go check out Human Centipede. Apart from having a very rich food and art culture, Athens is also rich in history and has several archaeological sites where a lot of ancient items were discovered. Besides having ancient items kept in museums, we discovered some items on the streets as well, like this telephone, this post box, and this bus stand that looked like were being used by the ancient Greek civilization. Of course, I'm just kidding, because like every city, there are the old and abandoned areas which make the new areas look more spectacular. We decided to explore these new areas and also do some shopping. If you're looking to impress a very hot woman in Athens, I just found the right t-shirt. One which has all the mathematical formulas and also pi with all the numbers. Well, not all the numbers really. Okay, so if I see you in the pub and I'm wearing this t-shirt and I tell you, do you want to see my pie? Would you be up for it?
No,
What if I tell you it's very long?
maybe.
Yeah. So, apart from birds, cats, and humans trying to ruin our footage, we had an amazing time in this beautiful city, which has a lot of history, art, traditions, and yellow caps.